This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to the Commodore News Update for Friday, November 16th. I'm Quante Bristow. The Scholastic Bowl team keeps their unbeaten record with an impressive victory over Booker T. Washington and Northview, 215 to 165. Great job, guys. Several Commodores earned a spot on the All-District team, making the first teams are Micah Cookley, Dre Lambert, Avante Lawson, CJ Beasley, Mark Hill, Sheridan Jones, and Luca Weber. Maury also had representation on the second team, and others earned honorable mention. Also, congratulations to Coach McCain for being the District Coach of the Year. Now here's Marche in the control room.
Thanks, Quante. Today, the Maury football team takes on the Salem Sun Devils at 7 p.m. at Salem High School. The last time Maury played in a regional semifinal game was in 2006, and the Commodores defeated Hampton on this play. That was Coach Doreen McCain that made the touchdown catch that advanced Maury to the regional championship game. Be sure to support your Maury Commodores tonight. Back to you, Quante.
Thanks, Marche. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's your update for Friday 16th. I'm Quante Bristow. Have a great weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.